from a sunny and beautiful animal kingdom. So we haven't been back in a while, but we are going to have the absolute best day. I can just feel it. First things first though is we are going into Africa and we're going to hop on Kilimanjaro safaris because we love getting there first thing in the morning when it's not too hot here in Florida and all the animals are out and about and eating their breakfast. It's just our absolute favorite ride in this park, so let's get going.
As we don't want to spook the animals as we are heading on into their homes. We'll be the next ones to head on in here, so hopefully we'll see forest. Lots of bushes and trees, lots of very shy, reserved animals. Some pretty cool camouflage, so.
That's a big tree.
But as we get a little bit more clearance here, we'll hang out next to this pretty large tree for a little bit. This large tree is going to be known as the baobab tree. Sometimes nicknamed the upside down tree. Based on those branches, they look pretty similar to roots. Water to be stored inside, in which they kind of act like a large sponge, hanging out and about. As they move around, you usually cannot hear them as their feet are wide and flat. However, their bone structure sits on their tippy toes. Ghosts, they're known as the ghost of the forest. Horns slanted backwards, allowing the leaves to slide. Now, hippopotamus can hold their breath for several minutes, so even while sleeping, they'll naturally rise and fall without waking up to catch their breath. But they also have a dew lap, helps them stay nice and cool. Next. So the lioness of the female is way up there on that second tallest cone.
Alright, we're here to see the bird show. It should start in 3 minutes. And then we're going to go eat lunch over at Satu'li Canteen for the first time. I'm so excited. I'm also embarrassed to admit that, but go and get somewhere.
Basically, since this show was opened up 25 years ago, right, including our African crane up there, everyone that is Fraser.
Fraser.
That makes it Fraser Crane. It's kind of the basis of the entire show. This is the first one.
Alright, we just got to Satu'li Canteen, so we got the iconic cheeseburger pods with vegetable slaw and potato chips. And then Zach got, the bowl with the chopped chicken, chimichurri beef, noodles, vegetable slaw, and I think the herb sauce? I can't remember though what I ordered. And then he also got the green beer. I think it was called like the grog? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe. And then if you have kids, they had a few choices. But our kids all got the like pig in a blanket. I can't remember what it was, but it's the hot dog, and then they got the chips, and they all got cutie oranges to go with it. I think they also had like a chicken bowl option, and what else did they have left?
Tortilla chip. Oh.
Cheese quesadilla.
And this is a tortilla chip.
And then I also, right now, they have a cold brew flight. So they have an ube cold brew. Now I can't remember what this one is. And then a matcha cold brew. So I'm a sucker for cold brew, so I'm so excited for these.
And I love them.
I'm just sipping coffee.
What's this sauce?
Yeah, I love the ube one so much. They've got such a good ube flavor.
Do you like
Oh, sorry. I just kicked you in the shin. I'm sorry.
I love them.
It's been good. Classic cold brew. It kind of pales in comparison. Oh my god, and I love the matcha one. The matcha, it just tastes like a good matcha, but it's matcha and cold brew mixed together. Honestly, so good. I kind of want a full size of these two. Those are so good.
It's okay. Never like me next time.
Okay. Ooh, that chicken's good.
This sauce is full though.
Do it at you.
Might be too much sauce, honestly.
Real sauce is an herb, creamy herb. Because the other option, I don't remember what it was, but it didn't sound right.
Creamy herb with like ramen noodles on and barbecue.
One of them was a vinaigrette. I guess maybe that would have worked better.
And does it only come with two?
Yeah. The kids meal one comes with
Well, I don't need a ton of food right now, so.
comes with one, and then the adult meal comes with two.
I'll share with you.
Dos.
Plain. Good
This
for
one
me.
is on the menu. So I only
It's just a matcha.
So I only can have those two.
Okay.
Yeah, it definitely has been a grab the boba. Did you have one? Like sour. Alright, so it is embarrassing how long it took us to eat at Satu'li Canteen. But I'm not gonna lie, it was not my favorite. The cold brews were outstanding. The bowl, I mean, like, it was okay, but it was too much creamy dressing. It just kind of tasted like lackluster. But the cheeseburger pods were good. It's just, I expected more because I heard that this is like the best place to eat in Animal Kingdom. It's just, it's okay. It's not great. But the cold brews were just absolutely show-stopping. So good. I would get enjoyed. Oh, well, look at that. That's so green. And it looks so green on the camera.
It is pretty.
So good. Let's see. Yeah, doing all the like jungle treks, the exploration trail, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Zootopia is 15. Everything else looks about 50 and 95. It's not bad. It's probably not a true 55 for the Navi River journey.
Alright, come on, let's roll.
Alright, we are headed to Expedition Everest. So we're gonna go ride Expedition Everest. Hopefully nobody gets too scared. But the girls have already ridden it. Ivy's only ridden it once though, so this is exciting.
There must be one Yeti tall.
At least it's not hot out right now.
That's right. Alright, let's go get our wilderness, or maybe not. Okay, we'll see.
270, buddy. Keep going a little bit more.
There you go.
There you go.
Wait.
All right, you guys are actually starting at a good spot because you're going to get 2 badges here.
Ooh.
Perfect. All right, you guys can put your books right here. All right, we're going to talk about animals and communication.
Got the what Insta-famous cookie dough brownie ice cream sandwich. And it's pretty good, super sweet. I like it. And it's quite big, so the whole family can share. I think it was $8.29.
Yep.
Right over here before you get into Africa.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
There you go. It's cold. It's good though.
It's confetti.
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're getting ready to watch Better Zoogether inside the Tree of Life where it's tough to be a bug used to be. You're looking cool, dude. How you doing? Can't get on my, there it is. What do you think of Better Zoogether?
Once was kind of boring.
It was kind of boring. I thought it was kind of cute though.
But it was like, I liked
Alright, you guys ready?
Better
Let's rock and roll.
Together. I forgot to talk about it.
Let's go get some.
You liked it?
it. It was fun.
I thought it was cute.
I liked when it spit in when something went in the butt.
Yeah, that's right. That wasn't tough to be a bug, but I don't think they ever did that. Yeah, I did think the little Shakira part of saying that she couldn't sing was hilarious. I still thought it was cute.
On your birthday.
I mean, a little replacement.
Coming up.
And that one, Better Zoogether, the show, I would say that was kind of like a water ride too. With the walrus part, that was a lot of water too. Yeah.
So it's just like get sprayed.
Yeah, Zootopia. Get wrecked.
One other tortoise that's the same, that's actually bigger than Dracula, so we're pretty confident that that one's a male. And then the other 3 are kind of like teeter back and forth, so we might have
How cute!
They're Dracula, Mummy, Frankenstein.
Need a day to digest, so their full diet, they'll get Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Today they just get hay. They'll get hay provided every day. And
One
then
of
they'll
them
get
was
some leaves,
sleeping,
which
and then they woke
today's
up
one of their
and
favorite leaves. In the summertime they get a lot of the best stuff. So springtime they start getting mulberry leaves. And hopefully in a couple months we start getting banana leaves again. The banana dies off in the wintertime. We have to cut back and we don't get that.
More Wilderness Explorer stuff. After watching the tortoises, Galapagos tortoises, for about 10 minutes, the kids were enthralled with them.
With hair?
They have hair all over their body. All that hair helps them see. They don't have really great eyesight, but all those hairs will kind of tell them where they are. If there's a rock next to them, or if there's a gust of wind, well, here we go. It's pretty cool. So, my fun fact about tarantulas is that for every color of the rainbow, there is a tarantula that color.
Oh, I don't know, maybe.
What's this called?
All right, let's see what's in through here, guys. All right, we're looking for the one other Wilderness Explorer. I think he said the birding badge was up here.
So
Right around the corner, that's right. Alright, we are on the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Go see some tigers and bats and dragons, I believe is what the
I
sign
think it's
said.
lizards. Well,
It said dragons,
Dragons, tigers.
even if they're the Komodo variety. Ooh. Alright, do not feed the wildlife. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Ooh. Heck no.
Bugs, right? So bats, they love to help us out. They eat so many bugs. Depending on the size of the bat, they can eat anywhere from 6
The crowned pigeons?
This almost got knocked out.
Wow.
It's carrying bird's nest stuff.
Oh no. These are so pretty.
Those
Wow. They are.
These red eyes are something else.
Oh, look at the white one.
Can you guys see it? Oh, it's one of the pheasants that he was holding up. Oh my gosh, what long, pretty feathers. Right? Like, look at his long hair. Look at it. So cool. Look at it.
His name is Jerry.
Is every bird you see named Jerry? Oh, he picked up a stick. He said not good enough for a nest. The girls won't like that stick. So it's not a good stick. Thank you for visiting. We did it. That was cool. Very peaceful. Oh,
They were swinging.
I like how they're just hanging there now.
They're like potting by the. I feel like these animals are treated better in here than at zoos. They're eating the bugs, I think.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
That's cool. An Abdim's stork. Wow, it's not unusual to find as many as 10,000 individuals in one flock. Alright, it says these are brand new, but they're little Starbucks tumblers. They're very pretty and colorful, and look, they got a little Kevin on top. Ooh, they're metal. They're not, Zach, they're metal. They're not plastic.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Here's the animal kingdom one.
Oh, with the pins.
There's a pin in it.
I love it. We have this for the Magic Kingdom one. I kind of want all of them.
I know. Well, I don't even know what Hollywood Studios is.
Alright, let's see what else we can see.
I'm sorry.
Some new shirts. Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, that's a cute sweatshirt. It's our first time being back since they closed Dinoland USA. Kind of sad. Feels definitely like something is missing from the park without it. But I'm excited to see, you know, the new stuff that's gonna go in there, hopefully. Hopefully it's super cool, super fun. And I can't wait to see if there's Easter eggs to Dinoland.
It is.
safari one more time because we're tired and we want to sit down. So, and then we're gonna do the Gorilla Falls Trail, and then I think we'll have done it all. We're making good time today. No, we're not. It's like 3 o'clock. I don't know what I'm saying. We're getting it done today.
2, get that last photo. 1.
Oh, it's set up.
Paddle dog, so let's pull in. As we do, one last bit of Swahili for you. That'll be Kwaheri. That means go well. Been a pleasure to take you out on safari, and I sure hope you enjoyed the short time we spent.
There is another. We have 2 that live here. They just hop in and hop out.
Yeah, that's one of those rides, Flight of Passage. It does freak me out a little bit. I don't know. I think it's the wave part. I think it's always been that wave part. When it's like it's closing in on you.
So you're claustrophobic?
No, I think it goes back to my childhood. Like in Hawaii, getting pulled under by waves. I don't know, I'll have to ask TT
Well, it's not
how she feels about that. I know it's not, but it's like still, oh no. But it's still fun. And Milo got to ride it for the first time. He said 10 thumbs up. And Ivy got to ride it for the first time too. It made her tummy drop. I think it made my stomach drop too.
Can't wait till everybody
0? Oh, well it's because you just want a toy. It's clouding your judgment. But still, it was fun. I think we're about done though. It is 5:26.
Now we're going home. Oh, okay, yeah, but that's on the way out. You want me to get that slushy? Alright.
Successful day at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are headed out now. We are in Unicorn 217 and we had a really good day. So this was mine and Zach's 13th anniversary and we wanted to do something fun and special and I truly had so much fun. We don't go to Animal Kingdom as often just because there's less rides, so it's less entertaining for the children. Shockingly. Oh, it's stuck. Oh yeah, I got the little pin on the way out. But yeah, it was just made it extra special because we haven't gone in so long. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If not, that's alright. If you did, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.